Hello guys and welcome again guys. Welcome to the channel. And today guys I'm coming to you this time before I sleep, and it is actually 8 p.m. and 32 minutes. This is Central Time, the Chicago time. So guys, I wanted to tell you about this thing, and I've been wanting to tell you about this um Bitcoin. And you can see very clearly this is Bitcoin, um and then it is on US dollars. What the hell is happening with this advertisement? So this is Bitcoin on US dollars. So um I don't know if we have any Bitcoin somewhere. This is Bitcoin US dollars. Okay. I don't know if we have Coinbase, Bitcoin on Coinbase or whatever, but this one is good. Yeah, we have another one here actually. So Bitcoin here. This one, yeah. This one, Bitcoin US dollars, Coinbase again. So I want to show you these things, both of them, so that you understand very well. If you haven't come to my channel, so welcome again, guys, and welcome to the channel. So I last time I was talking about introducing you to these charts, and it was so like interesting that I was telling the investors of Bitcoin like to run away from Bitcoin and not to invest in Bitcoin. But I the video actually got to many people watched it. So, and many people tend to be very careful about it. So look guys, this is a method, and this method, what it say, it just tells you like what is happening. So for example, let me actually let me point this thing up, and then I make it small a little bit so like we can see it very clearly. So yeah, let me enlarge it. So I want to tell you guys, so this is Bitcoin chart, and here this is a daily chart. It has been playing here, so it has been playing from here to here. You can see those things going down, up. But when it got here, and this one is when I was drawing, I was telling people like it will touch here, which is 25,000, and then this thing will start dropping. And then you see how it dropped, and then it went back again. But now this one, it found another um resistance. It can't break that. And then its support at that time was like 18,000, 19,000, 18,000, 19,000. Its support was like that: 18,000, 19,000, 18,000, 19,000, 18,000, 19,000. This was like kind of support. So this one has been there for a while, but it started breaking to 17, and it goes to 16. Now currently, look at it, 16, 7, and it went even to 15 actually, to 15.9 something. So remember I had told you this is how this thing is going to behave. Let me push it closer, closer. Oh, you see that? This is how I have drawn this chart, and this is what is going to happen, because like if we look at behind, it has been doing this thing. Let me remove these. This is a daily chart, guys. So we are using trading view. So basically uh people are texting me. Stop texting me. So we are using these trading view thing. So guys, here it was on May, not okay, Thursday 09. This was 2019 here. This thing went up, down, down, up. You can see it went here, it went up again, down, up again. But you see this line I had drawn here, this line I'm drawing here, guys. Be very careful and listen very carefully, guys. Those people who are watching this video, who will happen to watch the video, this shows that there was this is a kind of a buying zone. When it starts showing these green things, it shows a buying zone. But you can see it showed the green, it went and came down, but it came down here. And then now that is the time it went, and then it went up. That time it went, this is like, which is August 2020, and then it kept going until now we are in 2022, October 11th. So, but this, so this thing, this is where Bitcoin is coming back. This is 11,000. So that line, Bitcoin will come with it again. And this is how I anticipate it will come. So this is 11,000, which it is already, it broke, so it is at 15 somewhere here. It got to 15. So it is, you see this thing I draw here, I had drawn here. Just keep an eye on this thing. Remember, it moved here to here. So now I draw down, I had drawn this blue like it is dropping, and then it is dropping until here. And this one was 9,000. In case it gets to here 9,000, it means it will come to until 7,000, 6,000. That is the buying zone. So if you are investing in Bitcoin, let Bitcoin go down. Do not touch Bitcoin for now. It is November 14th, 2022. Start buying this thing 2023 April going forward. Don't buy it now, because during this winter time or crypto winter, this thing will drop to these 6, like almost 6,000, 7,000. If you are investor and it founds you here and you had bought it here where it is now, that is a lot of lose. You will be losing a lot of money. I pity you. I will not be happy. I will not be happy at all. So guys, as investors, be very, very carefully. Be very, very carefully. Look at that. Be carefully, because Bitcoin crashes just here and it is at the corner. Look at where it is coming. So this is just to give you insight very early. And then look, it is dropping. Yes, it drops. And then here it drops. Okay. This method, it works really good. The method I'm putting here. You can also go do it by going to TradingView, guys, and then you just go to TradingView and then you type this method, trend line V2 2020. I think it does this 112, and then you MSB boss detector 9822. You set it like that, and then MS this one you set it to 9, and then this one is to 33. So what it happens, it gives you like clear information. Even if you wanted to trade now, guys, this method really works good. Let me tell you, if I wanted to trade now, what I will do. Let me put it in 1 minute so you can see. If we wanted to trade this Bitcoin now, what will we do? You can see there, right? It told us buy. This is 1 minute, and it says this is still a buying zone, so we would have bought it. So this method never lies. The method I had put there, it is 1 day, which it shows it is going down, but when you put in 1 minute, it is going up. You can see buy. So in 1 minute, if I wanted to trade this thing, because it was 16,200 and 207, I would have moved it now to here, which is now 26,000. So I will be having over $500 profit, and I would have sold it. Basically, if you get here, it still says it is a buying zone, so you can continue being in it. If you are trading like you are a trader, that is why there is a difference between a trader and a investor. You buy and you wait for it to go up. In a trader, you trade actively, like now the way I'm showing like this. So if you are a trader, you can use this method most of the time. Traders, come here, use this method. It is very accurate. This MSB boss detector 9822, and then this MSB. So what we are looking for, we are looking only for this green line, these big lines, these ones, these. Forget about this one, the turns. This one just tells you the turn, like for here to turn here, turn here, turn here. Forget this one. This one, forget about this. It just shows you the small turn, but the bigger deal is these bigger lines. So for example, if you look at this stock, this Verizon, which I just put on this chart, if I wanted, it tells you to the bottom. If I wanted to put here stock like Amazon, I will know what is going to happen. Look at that. It says this area of 80, 80, 80, like 98. It was a buying zone on Amazon. You see that? So people bought it, and this is 1 minute. So I'm just telling you, like, so that you know if you are trading these things. So guys, today it was about warning you on cryptocurrency and warning you on all these cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin being the major cryptocurrency, and in general, uh, like, investors, please stay away of Bitcoin. Don't lose your money. It is so painful if you lose your money, and it is so painful if you get people who want to sell you these things. They tell you they want to sell to you. See, it shows it is going up in these 1 minutes for Bitcoin. But just investors, listen to what I said. We put this thing in 1 day. It gives us a very, very different information. Look at this. This is a very, very different information that we have to obey. This thing is coming down here, 7,000. 7,000, that is not a joke. Stay away from it. Stay away from it, guys. And for those who invest in Bitcoin, actually also invest wisely, because you can buy this thing. You think that it was going up, and maybe you had set it up on 5 minutes, and then maybe in 30 minutes it was dropping. So you end up suffering. Guys, thank you very much, and make sure you come back, because I will be showing you the really content. Subscribe to get this free content, and I really appreciate. And if you want more content, let me know. This content I created for free. I just tell you people, I want you to be not to lose money. So make sure you smash the like button. And as I always say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you consult your financial advisor before you do any investment or you make any investment. Thank you, guys, and thank you for coming back.